Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Galaxy Fold. Let's have a look. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is a folding phone which was first shown off in a heavily disguised form at Samsung Developer Conference in San Francisco on November 7, 2018. It was then the star of the show at the Galaxy Unpacked live event on Wednesday 20th February 2019. The phone is due to be released in April 2019. Samsung is going forward with plans to start selling its first foldable device in late April. Samsung has ordered components from its partner to manufacture the phone. ET and news reports with the device expected to going into production in late March or early April. That's a stark departure from Samsung's typical way of doing things when it comes to its standard flagship phone, which usually enter the production a few months before launch. But Samsung is looking to test the market with the first Galaxy foldable device, which explains the limited production run. Samsung does not plan to make more than 100,000 Galaxy Fold units per month, the report reveals, but year's issue may not even allow Samsung to reach that monthly goal. The report notes that making the display will be especially tricky. That's why the Galaxy Fold 7.3 display went into production late last year. Because of the various manufacturing difficulties involved in mass production, the screen is not made of glass. Instead, it is a transparent polyimide material then the glue of various display layers wires are specially adhesive, according to the report. Samsung cleared up all the rumors about price and release date when it announced the Fold at Unpacked on February 20th. The Samsung Galaxy Fold will go on sale in the US on April 26th and on May 3rd in Europe. The Samsung Galaxy Fold price will start at $1,980 in the US, and in Europe it will cost $2,000. No UK price has been given, but a straight dollar to pound conversion puts the Fold price at about $1,520. Although of course we never get a straight dollar to pound conversion. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Galaxy Fold. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. And peace out. Take care. Bye bye.